The music turned on, and the snack table turned into a dance floor. Cupcakes got moves. Today's party rule: the silliest hat wins. Wait, why does the cat look like a superstar?
Whoa, why does the teddy bear have my socks?
A balloon dog was supposed to sit still, but it had B.I.G. puppy dreams. Boop, bounce, float.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend.